as if the city had chosen the bends and dead ends of every avenue and alleyway, and when to let its vandals be heroes, and when to spring the trap of its left-turn lanes, revolving doors, and waiting rooms on us. Please, take a number. Please take a seat, and we'll be with you. We'll be with you. We'll be with you here in stairwells where even the wind gets lost. And we'll be with you here in phone booths where only the corners of posters hang and plexiglass panes bear the car keys, scars of lovers' initials, because somehow this seems more relevant than the bark of a downtown tree. These inlaid lines catch and tear at reflections of light. And every once in a worn-out while, our eyes find eyes to smile upon and tell secrets to in a crowded place where we never really meet.